Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for everybody for tuning in and stuff like that. A lot of little kit. Did a body swap with a 70 Dodge swep line onto a Dakota, and when I couldn't get the hood latch to work because there was too many rads, stuff like that in there. I'll show you here in a second. So I couldn't get the hood latch to work. I was going to get some straps to strap it down kind of thing, but I've come up with this. Just hold on one second. So I got these on Amazon. Haven't screwed that down yet. The screws they sent are just crap, so I'm going to get some self-tappers for that. But got those on Amazon. I'll show you. Very simple to use. These just fit my truck. This hood is fairly large. These come, I think, at 4 inches, maybe just a little bigger. Not sure. I think they were 4 inches, but anyway, it was easy to install. Didn't take me any time. 1 second. So there you go. All I did was I drilled a hole in the rad support. It comes with the bolts, so bolts under, bolts on top. You tighten it, set the height you need for your hood because you want the pins to go in fairly tight. You don't want to flap it around. And what I did is I put a little bit of tape over this, put some paint on top of the tape, brought the hood down to touch, put the hood back up, and drilled the holes where the paint dots were. That's the simplest way I could figure that out. And that seemed to work really well. So yeah, and then you can these cables just hold the pins so you don't lose them when you take them out, I guess. Just wrapped it down over that. And you can see, 1 second, by doing the paint trick, bring the hood down and the pins fit perfectly in place. So yeah, all I did was, like I said, I put tape around those pins, put a little bit of paint on top of the, so I didn't get paint on these, put a little bit of paint dab on the top, close the hood down, and you can see where it touched the hood, and then I drilled through. I still got paint on my hands, see? But anyway, I thought I was recording when I was doing that because I was going to make a short video, but I wasn't. I'm not so great with this recording thing all the time, so not so great with the editing and stuff. Anyway, there's a quick explanation. That was cheap. It was $12 Canadian plus tax on Amazon. And they seem to work really well. Fairly simple. I think this was a 10-minute install. Drilled 2 holes, and I was really, or 4 holes, 2 in the rad support, 2 here, 2 in the hood, and then you got to put your screws in. Obviously, I haven't done that, but does the trick. I took it for a drive. The hood doesn't bounce around. This, I put it in so you have to kind of push the hood down tight like that, you see, and force the pin in. And that's why those black striker plates go there, so you don't damage your paint, I guess, when you're sliding the hood in, the pin in tight. So it holds it down nice and tight, does the trick, does what I need. And that's it. So simple. All right, everybody, if that's it for that quick, short little video. Just chicken in the barn. If you like what you saw, comment, subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. And actually, I might take you for a little walk. All the spring peepers are out, if you like frogs. And my property, I have a big pond in the back, and the property just comes alive at night. It's a little chilly tonight, but they should still be okay. They like it really warm, but it's like a little symphony of frogs back there. It's pretty amazing. So maybe I'll pause the video here and I'll take a short little video before we end. Just as it's getting dark. So stay tuned for that. Alright, we'll take a walk and listen to the frogs. This cool little guy sitting here on the end of our bridge here. Anyway, let's go see what the frogs are saying. This is kind of quiet tonight. Like I said, they like it warmer. They get really going crazy when it's still very soothing. It's a very cool sound. Spring peepers. Hey, Coop. Anyway, there you go. That's my peepers. They come out every year. Like I said, when it's a warmer, tomorrow's supposed to be warmer. Maybe I'll do another short or something, but they really get going. It's crazy. It's like a orchestra going back there. It's pretty nuts. But anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Hope everybody's having a great night, and hope everybody's doing well. And comment, subscribe, like all that business, and share. And yeah, all right. Thanks for watching.